Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I have been slacking on the long form uploads, but today we're going to do an old fashioned haul. I do want to preface before we start this video that I have an unusually large amount of things to show. I usually try to be very conscious of what I do consume, but April had a lot of gifting suites roll out because of Coachella. Brands host like gifting suites and send a lot of product because they want influencers and people to wear their stuff. So that's kind of why I have a bit more than usual. Please keep in mind this is not normal. I try to be very conscious of overconsumption. So with all that being said, I'm going to show you all the fun stuff that I collected in the month of April, and I hope you enjoy. First, I'm going to show you my Revolve haul. I was supposed to go to Revolve Fest this year, but just really didn't end up making it. It was such a crazy time at Coachella this year, but I had the best time. Starting with these boots that I actually ended up wearing all day long to the festival on day 2, and these are so comfortable. And honestly, I've been dying for a cowboy boot in this kind of silhouette, like a more understated, chic silhouette, you know what I mean? I also picked them up in a brown, which is why I'm so excited that they are actually so comfortable, because now I have 2 extremely comfortable, extremely cute shoes. I also picked out these moto boots, but unfortunately they are not so comfy. I tried to wear them to an event and then I was gonna go straight to the festival, but my feet were already killing me and I wasn't doing much walking, so I had to change into another pair of shoes that I'll show you later in the haul. Be warned now, there are a lot of shoes in this haul, but these are just sadly not as comfy as the other ones. Next from Revolve is actually this top that I'm wearing. I am obsessed with little peplum frills lately, like it is 2010. I know they're coming back and I never thought I'd see the day that I would wear them again, but I am obsessed. I'll have everything linked down below, by the way, so if you are interested in any of these pieces, you can just find them in the description. You might have seen this next piece in my recent short of what to wear to the Enhypen concert. It is this cropped mini leather jacket, and honestly this is the best invention ever for spring and summer. It was freezing walking up to the concert, but a little warmer in the venue, and this was just like the perfect layer, and you don't have to carry around a giant jacket. I got a size medium because they did say to size up, and medium fits perfectly. This next piece is so precious. It's this little pale yellow floral lace mini dress. I'm not really a bodycon girly, I'm not gonna lie, but I just really love this color. I don't know, I do like it. The fit is not perfect on me though, so I'm kind of unsure about this. Like, I like it in theory, but I'm not sure if it's like a me piece. The next piece is very me. It's actually what I would have worn to Revolve Fest. It is just like a full lace black mini dress, but again, I didn't make it to the festival. This is so cute. I will definitely be wearing this some other time though. So I honestly ended up picking a lot of like basic pieces for my Revolve haul. So I did pick out this tank top. It's this like off-white ribbed tank top, and there's really not much else to say about it except for you can never have too many basics. This piece you might have also seen in my most recent short. It is this silver cropped like V cutout tops. I feel like tops like this are just so flattering, the cut, and I love silver. I am more of a silver girly than gold, but honestly I'll wear either. Fashion intermission. You might hear some crinkling in the background, and that is him munching on plastic. We have another basic, but I think this one's really fun. I have been just kind of loving basics, but with different silhouettes or textures. Like I said, I'm just in a basic vibe right now. I can't explain it. I like to make outfits fun with just accessorizing and like knowing that I have pieces in my closet that I can like alternate a lot. So this is one of them. I'm kind of imagining wearing it with like a low-rise black leather pant, some boots, lots of accessories. So I'm also thinking of styling this in the same way as that white top I just showed you. Honestly, it reminds me of something that my mom would have worn in the 2000s, so I'm into it. We're almost done with Revolve. I also picked up this little cardigan with this diamond heart closure. I just think it's so precious and fun. I also picked up this mini cropped cardigan. Just ribbed and has buttons. I feel like it'll be cute to layer and maybe wear it with like a plaid skirt. Okay, next I'm going to show you what I grabbed from IAMGIA. First is this skirt. This is amazing. It does run a little large, so I had to get it an extra small. Usually with IAMGIA, like low-rise stuff, I'll get a small, but this does run large, so if you do plan on getting this, size down. And the best part of it is that it is a skirt, because I love, love, love a teeny tiny mini skirt, but I hate a teeny tiny mini skirt. So I'm glad that this is a skirt, but it doesn't look like a skirt, you know? I also got these micro shorts. They're in the wash right now because I did wear them to Coachella, but I'll put a picture here. They are so comfy and so cute. I am going to be wearing them so much this summer. IAMGIA sent over this mini black moto bag, and surprisingly, I do not own a mini black bag. Not a single one. So I used this all Coachella weekend. It fits so much stuff. Has so many flaps, pockets, and it has a zipper. So all my stuff was safe because there do be pickpockets at Coachella. Oh, Beshi. Come on. I actually purchased these myself, not for festival season, just in general. I wanted a fun summer shoe. These are Alaya dupes, and I got them in red. They're really affordable and surprisingly really comfortable. Because there is one thing about me, and I hate having my toes out, and like this has your toes out, like the breathability without having your toes out. You know what I mean? Another random pair of shoes that I am so excited about. My friends at Sanrio sent me Hello Kitty CROCS. They have this amazing glitter sole, these fun little gibbets. Next, I'm going to show you my giant Shop Tunnel Vision order. Fun fact, I actually interned for MADDEN at Shop Tunnel Vision 10 years ago while I was still in college, and it was one of the best experiences ever. I love MADDEN. I love Shop Tunnel Vision. I think they're just both amazing. So let me show you what I picked out. So first, I got this double 2-in-1 skirt. This is how it should look when you wear it together. And then you can also wear it separately and have this like cunty little white leather mini skirt or this precious frilly mini skirt. Okay, next piece, this amazing red leopard mini dress. It is just so like 90s Y2K goth girl going to homecoming vibes. Like, I don't know, I can't explain it, but I love it and I can't wait to style it. This dress also gives me just fairy princess goth vibes. I actually might wear this to the run fair. I love it. I want to wear it with my Kiki boots. Not to the run fair. I will not be wearing my Kiki boots to the run fair. I'm not a psychopath. Ideally, I would style it with like a black bra, black underwear, and like my black Kiki boots and kind of do like a whole craft, witchy, practical magic vibes, you know? Okay, this skirt I actually sized up in because I don't know why I didn't listen to their size guide, and usually their size guide never steers me wrong, but I've kind of been fluctuating lately, so I'm just not really sure of my size. I used to always be an extra small, no questions asked, and now I'm kind of an extra small, sometimes a medium if it's low rise. So I don't know why I just trusted my gut and decided to size up and get a small. And it is a little too big. I would like it to fit a little snugger. So I wish I got an extra small because this skirt is perfection. Like the color, the pattern, I love a good plaid pleated miniskirt. I am truly a sucker for one. This next top is just so me. I can't even explain it. It's very like witchy Wednesday Addams-ish vibes. And I'm so excited to wear it. I probably gonna have to wait till fall because it's starting to get really hot here in California. And speaking of hot, I will definitely be wearing this dress. It's this like fun, quirky, like Phoebe Buffay-esque dress that you can adjust. It's really fun though, and I'm excited to wear it with like my giant brown Heaven Margaret boots. Next are these really innovative pair of pants that I think only MADDEN could think of. So these are zippers that you can actually detach and make them into short shorts, jorts, high waters, whatever you want. And I just think it's really fun and innovative and so smart that MADDEN made these. And last from Tunnel Vision, I am definitely a mini skirt girly, so I needed this in my collection. Now we're moving on to rock boots. They are my girls, okay? I have so many pair of rock boots. They are so comfortable. They're made with festivals in mind. They're an Australian brand, and they really do make the most comfortable boots. I have so many pairs, like I said, but I have been ordering them in the wrong size because for some reason, my brain was not calculating the conversion sizing. So I've been getting them in size like 7s. I'm a 9. And sometimes I would wonder why my feet would hurt in some pairs and then not in others, or like why some would be tighter and others wouldn't. And it's because I just don't, it's my fault. So I got the right sizes in these two shoes specifically. And now I'm going to have to actually go through my huge collection and get rid of some, which will be the next video. I'm going to be cleaning out my shoe collection because right now the inside of this closet is just all shoes, just piled on top of each other like a mountain. So anyway, my two newest rock boot members of the family are this super cute super comfy combat boot, and it's like this gummy platform sole. So these are really comfortable. I have the non-tie version that I wear all the time. I also have this pair of shoes in the non-lace version as well, so I had to get the lace version. They are so insanely comfortable because I got them in the right size. So I had to get them in the lace-up version. These didn't come in time for Coachella, otherwise I definitely would have worn them because I love that they give me a little bit of height. You really need to hop on these if you are a festival goer or you just like cute shoes but you need to be comfy. I went to a few other like random gifting suites, so I'm just going to show you a few random brands. First is by BAMBI, another Australian brand. This is one of the pieces that I got and I was going to wear to Coachella, but I didn't end up going the third day. So I didn't get to wear this out, but I am very excited to wear it to another event. I know I'll find the perfect thing for it. It is so cute. Next is another friend's brand, SICKO Kittens, who I adore. They sent me a piece, I want to say like 2 years ago now. Obsessed with it. And then since then, I've seen them on Doja Cat and so many K-pop idols. Like New Jeans has worn them, La Seraphim has worn them. They are an iconic brand. But anyway, I last minute needed an outfit before Coachella and I picked this up from her house. And then I got the matching skirt. But again, it's in the wash. It's just a plain stretchy mini skirt. And I wore it to an event out in the desert and it was just the cutest outfit. I got so many compliments on it and I will definitely be outfit repeating because I don't feel like enough people saw it and this just deserves more eyes. I ended up showing up really late to this gifting suite, had literally 15 minutes to pick out a certain amount of items. I can't remember how many. And I saw this Betsey Johnson dress and was like, immediately, yes, you're coming home with me. It's this like velvet burnout cowl neck, midi length dress. It's just so cute. It kind of gives me like Lorelai Gilmore vibes. I also picked up this t-shirt from my mom made it. Honestly, I just need more baby tees in my life. I feel like I don't have a baby tee for every occasion and that's just unacceptable. At the same gifting suite, I ended up picking up these shoes. They are the Steve Madden Miu Miu dupes. But yeah, these are this delicious chocolatey suede color. And I don't care what anyone says about the moto boot trend. I don't care if they're out. I still love them. And I'm still going to be wearing mine. And then last, I went to the Guess gifting suite. I picked out a few things. One of them ended up being for Dev. Happy for him. I ended up picking out this long sleeve tee. It has this cute little star Guess jeans motif on it. And like I said, I'm just in a basic era, so this is perfect for me. And we're going to finish up this haul with Doc Martens. They sent me a few pairs before Coachella, one of which I ended up wearing a majority of my trip because they are so comfortable. I didn't have to break them in. I got them in the same week. They're lightweight. I think they're called like Air Sole or something. And they're just so comfortable. The next pair is not as comfortable, but they are so cool. I just had to have them. I do kind of wish I went for the knee-high version instead of the thigh-high, but I don't have anything like this in my collection. I just think it's so cool, so I'm still happy to have them. They are these crazy thigh-high, pierced-up platform boots. They're definitely not as comfy as the pair I just showed you, but they do make a statement. And then this last pair I got at their gifting suite right before Coachella. It's like a mid-calf vibe. Honestly, I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, Lena, you have so many pairs of Docs that look almost exactly like this. But they are not, they're just not the same. To me, it makes sense. And I love them all equally. So that is it for my haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if I use so many similar descriptive words. Honestly, I need to widen my vocabulary. But I'm so grateful that I get to go to these gifting suites. Right now, I am a little full on clothing, so I am going to resume my closet clean out series. I know it's been a year. I'm so sorry. But like I said, next I'm going to do my shoe closet clean out, and that's going to be a real fun one. So I'm very excited about that. If you are too, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can keep an eye on that. And thank you again for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again soon.